Mick Jagger, 79, travelled to Craven Cottage today to watch his beloved Arsenal team beat Fulham. The Rolling Stones' leading man was accompanied by his two youngest children, son Devereux Octavian Basil Jagger, 6, and Lucas, 22. Mick chose a cheeky cap for the event, reading the term DILF, stemming from the term MILF meaning, Mother I'd Like to FK, popularized from the Hollywood film American Pie. The singer, who has 8 children, wrapped up in a black coat and wore a green jumper over his shoulders. Devereux is Mick's youngest from his current relationship with Melanie Hamrick, while Lucas is from his brief romance with Luciana Gimenez.